This is a certified pre-owned 2007 Ford Expedition. This SUV has a 6-speed automatic transmission, a 5.4-liter V8, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: aluminum wheels, a low tire pressure indicator, traction control and stability control systems, a premium audio system, leather seats, running boards, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, an anti-lock braking system, memory settings for the driver's seat's positions so you can recall your favorite position with the push of one button. And this vehicle has less than 56,000 miles. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 169-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 3-month 3,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Not to mention that this Ford qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Every Sheehy Select used vehicle comes with a 3-day money-back guarantee, 60-day 2,000-mile warranty, passes a state inspection and our 175-point inspection system, and comes with a Carfax vehicle report.